Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and we're going to go over how you would open the trunk from the inside. So your trunk, you have three ways to get it to open, and there's the little push button to open the trunk is right here in the door at the very back of the driver's door, and so that's what you would push to unlock it from inside. You also have the key fob button that you can push to unlock that actuator, and then you also have right above the license plate is a button that you can press to unlock. But if all three of those don't work, or whatever you got to do to get this trunk open, there's only your last resort that there is no manual option to open this trunk. So if you can intermittently get this open, you're going to want to make sure that you replace the trunk actuator. But those are the options you have to be able to get your trunk to unlock, as long as you've got power in the vehicle. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.